Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about uh, subscription boxes, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify in the search and let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell their things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can just skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build in this website. Now the first thing you have to do is go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change them if you want. Here you can change the themes. You can customize it on your home page. So select any one you want, just click add. So for me I'm gonna choose this. Now wait to install in the theme. So once your theme is installed, click here publish. Now you can customize it on your home page. So now click here customize and it will take you to the homepage store. So here you can change the style of the homepage. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me I'm gonna just keep it like this, desktop. Here this is the settings where you can design your site, your store. So first here we find the header, the announcements bar. You can edit the color scheme. You can also show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can turn this on or to rotate announcements if you want. You can enable country and region selector. Also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the announcements, the text, or if you want to pass a link or search for collections or products. I'm gonna select all collections. Now let's get back and let's move on to the header. Here where you can change the manage the header, you can manage the desktop logo position. You can also change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can manage the desktop menu type. Also you can manage the sticky header. You can show separator line. You can change the color scheme. You can change the menu color scheme. You can enable country region selector. You can enable language selector. Here you can manage the spacing. You can manage the section padding. So here you can also manage the theme settings. Here you can add your social media links to your Twitter link or your Facebook link or your Pinterest or Instagram, whatever you want to add of links. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. Here where you can upload your logo from your library, or if you wanna, for example, let's search on it on the browser. Subscription boxes logo ideas. So for example this, just put it here and wait a few seconds to upload it. Now this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time. So that's it. Here you can edit the desktop logo position, logo width, or the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the slideshow. Here where you can edit the layout, you can make it grid or full width. Also you can edit the slide height. You can edit the pagination style, or if you want to auto rotate slides, you can edit the animation, the image behavior. You can show content below image on mobile. You can also manage your accessibility settings. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the slide. Here you can select image from browser, for example from here. So for example this. Just put it here and wait to upload it. Here you can change the heading if you want. You can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. For example, subscription. That's it, and click generate. Here you can change the heading size. Also you can generate the subheading, subscription boxes. So just click generate and it will be generated. You can choose from the suggestions. Here you can change the button label. You can also change the button link. You can use outline button style. Here you can manage the desktop content position. Here you can change the color scheme. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the featured collections. Here also you can edit the heading. You can generate the heading. So just click generate and describe subscriptions boxes. Here you can edit the heading size. Also here the description, just like this, you can just describe what this text is about. You can show collection description from the admin. You can also edit the description style. You can change the collection or create another collection. Here you can edit the maximum product to show. So that's it. Here you can edit the product card. You can show a second image on hover, or show vendor, or show product rating. Here you can manage the section padding. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer. You can here it is the email sign up. You can change the color scheme. Also you can manage the section padding. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing websites, all you have to do now is save this, and let's get back to the home page, the dashboard. Now after you customizing your online store and after you add your first product, let's move on to the next step, is name your store. Here where you can name your store if you want, just type any name you want, and here you can add your store phone. You can here change your store email. So let's save this. Now after you're done from this, you can just publish your website. Now you can just online your online store. You can just launch your online store, and that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.